Three, two, one.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with rain. Now I think, would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with rain?
Just like it.
Like a river, surely to the sea, darling, so it goes, something not meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life through.
Oh my god.
Really?
Yeah.
I can't help falling in love with rain. Like a river flows.
Again? Yeah, that one. No,
Yeah,
no! Why? Justin toxic. 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 Oh my god, toxic. Actually, no, toxic. Oh my god, toxic.
She said toxic. I can't bring you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head under the water, but I'm and I'm out of my mind.
It's tired.
'Cause all of me loves all of you.
Just
Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me. I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me.
I think it's higher than
It's how you.
Yeah, you know what? That was good enough. We'll do it again. Can we redo?
What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in and you kicking me out. Got my head spinning, no kidding, I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. How many times do I have to tell you? Even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. The world is beating you down. I'm around through every your all to me. I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Oh, give me all of you.
Okay.
And say, only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Something meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. For I can't help falling in love with you.
Okay, we're done here.
Yay!
We love you, Rain. Yeah, we love you. Kaylee,
Mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never liked to admit that I was wrong. But I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. But now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. But when you told me that you hated my friends, the only problem was with you and not them. And every time you told me my opinion was wrong, and you tried to make me forget where I came from.
They taste like shit. Yeah,
And I didn't want to write a song, 'cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care. I don't, but you still hit my phone up. And baby, I'm moving on. And I think you should be something I don't want to hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never liked to admit that I was wrong. But I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. And now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself.
Dying over there?
And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself.
Oh, you're not done.
Like no king was before.
Oh, wait,
I'm
wait,
working on my road.
take your photo. Everybody loves the gas. Everybody loves Brian. Everyone look at Brian. Stand in the spotlight.
Oh my god.
Let every creature overrun can see. Let's hear it in the herd and on the wing. It's gonna be beaten behind the sleeve. Oh, I just can't wait.
That was so off-putting.
No, it is not.
Hogan's music. That's Red Hogan. No, not Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Ain't no passing craze. It means no worries for the rest of your days.
Okay, guys. Can we like all say some nice things about Rain so I can show her this video?
Wait, let me switch going.
Yeah.
Okay. Which one did you get? Rain, you're my wife and my bestest friend in the whole world, and I'm really sad that you're leaving, but it's okay because we can text every day still and FaceTime, and I love how you always listen to me rant, and you always rant back to me, and we always listen to each other, and we don't judge each other, and you're like always there for me, like the one person I can count on every time. Okay. Oh, Rain. Okay, you're like the only person that I actually like cry over because like why do you have to leave? Okay, but okay. And also it's really like you like hate the same people I do, and it's like really nice to be able to have someone who will listen and like not be all like, oh no, but this person, and like you're such a good person, like, and I love you so much.
Hey, thanks for making me cry like every night at the freaking pop show. Thanks for like blurting it out. I thought you were joking, but you're not. And guess what? You still suck. No, you don't. Thanks for always. Thanks for being the person like everyone knows that you can rely on. We're gonna miss you. I hope that you have to leave, but you're gonna visit us still. So I can't say this as a goodbye, no, because you know we love you. And there's so many reasons why. Okay, let's list them. Your pettiness, the way you like look so funny in pictures. Oh no, you're not. You'll see this later. You'll understand why. Well, I want to hold it now. Okay. So anyway, we're gonna wrap this up. You're coming, and I don't want to spoil this for you. So I love you, and then we'll just make you a big card later.
Ooh, that's okay. Go.
Hi, Rain. So you're gonna see this later, but anyways, when we first met, we were like really quiet, but then as we got to know each other more, you became really salty, and then in our group, like we got to know each other more. And anyways, I like having you in math last year, and then what else did we have? CCR, we had science together, PE, a lot of classes, but this year Kyle was really fun. We got to do each other's makeup, both of them, you did it for us. And it was yeah. Your eyelashes are really nice, and your eyebrows, and
Thank you to me.
and what else? Kyle is really fun performing with you and singing and stuff. And I hope next year you'll have a really great first high school year. And we'll miss you a lot. And please come visit and watch our shows. And anyways,
Okay, girl, you next.
no, honey, no crying. No crying yet.
Hi, Ray. You're probably gonna see this after a while, but I just wanted to say that you were one of my first friends in 7th grade when we made our dinner hangout, and that was really funny because we were like all promoting each other and whatever. And like I really love how you laugh because you always brighten up my day. And honestly, you're just like a mother to me because without you, our group wouldn't be able to function, and it's gonna be really hard when you leave. Rain, thank you so much for everything that you do for us, for like being always there for us, and always someone to like cry on, like if we help with anything. You're always like my rock because like you're always there when I need you, and like you always know what to say whenever I have something that is like going on in my personal life that I need help with. And you're just like an amazing person, and I'm really gonna miss you, and I don't know if I'm gonna survive high school without you. So I hope that we still keep in touch. Please, please, please don't forget about us. And I hope you have the best luck in your high school. Love you, Rain.
So whoever wants to go first, go ahead.
So this is part dos because you were coming and you kind of almost exposed it. But I wanted you to know that I always appreciate how you're always real with us and how you're always open to whatever happens. Like I could be like drunk and you'll just be like, oh my god, whatever, and you'll just be accepting of it. And I'll always appreciate the way you never judge. Well, you do, but it's like it's well, you do, but it's like at least it's not like you know, Catherine. But you know, we love you, Rain, and we're still ranting and FaceTiming you at lunch. But like I don't know the time difference. Is it the same? Yeah. The time's the same. So then we'll still FaceTime. Wait, is your lunch the same?
Oh, it probably is.
But I just wanted to let you know that I love you from the bottom of my heart, and it's that scene go. already know the tears because we have the picture, the video, and the freaking choir video. But love your saltiness. I love how you'll always be there for us, and I hope you don't forget us.
So, hi Rain. I know when we first met, you were really kind of judged all of us. It was crazy. Honestly. But, I mean, it's not me, but at least you didn't show it. I just wanted to thank you for being really accepting for everybody and everything. So, I'm going to miss you so much. I just want you to know that. I mean, we didn't get to hang out as much as others, but I just want you to know I love you so much.
Oh my God,
I'm going to miss you so much. And whenever we reacted together, it was great. I don't know, like, I want to cry, but...
Cry. Do it. Just kidding.
But I'm going to miss you so much.
Alright.
Okay, so Rain, you were one of my first friends, and like I was pretty scared at the beginning of the year because like our friends were kind of intimidating in some way. But like you were someone who I actually was able to trust, and I'm really glad that I actually met you because without you, I don't know where I'd be right now. And like I can't really say anything right now because I don't have anything on my head. But like I.
Hi Rain, you're probably watching this later, but I just wanted to say like how much you mean to me. And I remember first meeting you in 7th grade, and I was really scared of you because like you kept on glaring at me, and I wasn't sure if you hated me or not. But then you were really like one of my first friends at Oxford, and one of my friends that like were big to me, and you were like a really true friend to me. And I just remember all the times that we had in 7th grade, and especially this year, because we just made so much, and your laugh, it just brights up my day, and just like you're like really special to me because you're so beautiful, and you're like the mother to me. You always know how to take care of me, how to make me feel better whenever I'm down, and whenever I need someone to talk to, you're always there. And you're also the mother of our group because without you, our group wouldn't be able to function. And I just want to tell you that I really love you, and I'll just never forget you for as long as I live because you were one of the most special friends to me.
It's for you, Rain.
One night stands, but I still ain't love 'cause I'm just a man.
No?
These nights never seem to go to plan. I don't want you to leave, will you hold my hand? Oh, won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
Say love is clear to see.
I'm gonna.
But darling, stay with me. My voice so emotional. No, it's not a good look, need some self-control. Deep down I know this never was. But you play with me so it does.